it's me Charity here at Lady Luck Tutorials on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do those little color correcting dots that you might see all over the internet when people are just taking dots and putting it all over their face. Looks really crazy, but it's kind of entertaining and fun, and it actually works really well. So basically I'm just going to be doing a little color correcting, a little contouring, and all that fun stuff, so hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get to it. First two products I'm going to be applying is this product here from Morgan Miller. This is collagen facial oil. It's supposed to be anti-aging because collagen is supposed to help firm the skin, moisturizing because it has coconut oil in it, and it also has sunflower oil, which is rich in vitamin E, and it is an antioxidant. So I'm going to apply this all over my face first. Then I'm going to go in with this Skin Diva Dark Circle Eye Cream. I think it's Skin Diva. That's how it's spelled. It looks like Diva, but it might be Deva. I'm not sure. This is a dark circle eye cream. It's supposed to hydrate, lighten, and firm. It has hyaluronic acid. It's also supposed to be gentle, safe, and effective. So hopefully this works out for me. I got both of these products complimentary from Octoly for a review. So this is what the collagen in a bottle looks like. It's got a little dropper, so I'm just going to get some of that out. Drop it into my hand, rub my hands together, and apply it to my face. Next, I'm going to go in with the eye cream. Now this is actually called an eye cream, but the formula is more like a serum. So the directions actually says pump 2 to 3 drops on fingertips, but honestly, a little goes a long way, so that many pumps is not even necessary. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite moisturizer. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So next, I'm going to go in with this Clinique Pep Start. This is the Hydro Blur Moisturizer. So this is kind of like a moisturizer and a blurring primer in one, and it's actually a pretty good product. I'm just going to take a little bit on my fingers, rub them together, and apply it all over. I'm going to go in with a little Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray this before I do my makeup, and this one is in Coconut. Next, I'm going to start off by taking this CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous, and it is in the shade Medium, and I'm just going to put some of this all over my face using little dots. Now I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Total Cover Color Correcting Palette. There's 4 shades in here. They range from lavender to green, and then there is a yellowish type concealer and then a salmon type color. This one is to disguise under eye circles. This one combats discoloration. This one is to neutralize redness, and this one is to brighten dullness. So I'm actually going to go in with a Q-tip to create the little dots around my face, and I'm going to start out with the lavender. Now I'm going to go in with the green shade, again using my Q-tip, and I'm just going to place it on any little red spots that I have. Now I'm going to go in with the color that is for the under eye circles. Next, I'm going to go in with the yellow shade, which is for discoloration. I don't really feel like I have discoloration, but I just feel like putting this color all over to make this look complete. So this is how I am looking as of right now. So now I'm just going to go in with my EcoTools Beauty Blender, and I have it dampened. And I'm just going to blend all this out now. Now that I have all of that somewhat blended out, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light Sand. I'm mainly just going to put some under my eyes here for some extra coverage. A little here to brighten up those areas, and here and here. Blending it out with the same sponge. Now I'm going to do a little contouring. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm pretty sure this is in the shade Bronze Goddess. Just going to add a little color to my face. Now I'm going to go over the places that I just put that contour shade. I'm going to go in with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I'm going right back over what I just did. Now for a powder, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Tone Correcting Powder. Looks like this. It actually kind of looks like the color correcting palette, because it kind of is like that. It's just in powder form. What I like to do is take my brush and just swirl the shades together, tap it off, and put it all over my face. It really helps to just blend everything together. Next, I'm going to go in with this blush. This is from the brand number 7, and this shade is called Apricot Blossom. So I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows with my Gerard Cosmetics Brow Bar To Go palette, and I'm actually just going to finish off this look with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray, and this is in Rose. So now I am completely done with this look. I'm just letting my setting spray do its work. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!